you anytime you need me. No one said nothing in life would be easy. Something about your style separates you from the rest, girl. So when I hit the top, we can travel around the whole world. First class, went from ashy to classy. Used to be a good girl, now you so nasty. I still remember the first time we locked eyes. Club full of women sitting, but you was the main prize. With your girls taking IG pics. Some kinda slim and the rest of y'all was thick. Born beauties, long haired cuties. Some cut short, but y'all all had booty. High heels by Louis, couple by Gucci. Soon as I approached, all the girls said who he. I said who me? Ladies, I'm Bobby. Fly ass Rican, how the fuck they gon' stop me? How the fuck they gon' stop me? How the fuck they gon' stop me? Fly ass Rican, how the fuck they gon' stop me? She said rock the boat, work the middle. Licked around her ear, she said you gon' make me giggle and tickle, but just a little. Poppy Drew hitting my spot and I'm getting kinda hot. Chulo, please don't stop. Me love you long time, she said me so horny. Told her don't talk like that, it sound corny. Baby, put it on me, never leave me lonely. But let me do my thing, you know you my one and only. Pull up like Tony, I'm talking Montana. Drop head Porsche, started out with a bandana. Armed with the hammer, whipping and I stay strapped. Booster in the backseat, but it held the mid-act. That's a fit act, your boys stay straight at. Like Air Force Ones, I was always quick to clear that. But that's a rid at, your boy grown now. Even got pop chicks singing on the song now. 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 Even got pop chicks singing on the song. Bobby Chulo in this bitch. Game needed change, so I had to switch the pitch. Shit, now I'm spitting like this. Man, the boy's so lit. Heavy in the game in the Chevy on sixes. It's just me and my bitches. But my hit is on the way. No flex zone, man, them boys don't play. Really up all day, all day. Fuck around, get the bustin' with the K. The boy nice like my motherfucking DJ. Walk up in the spot, got the record on replay. Got me feeling like a fucking man. Swipe the card, must've blew about 10 grand. And I ain't even take a sip, I just did the shit to stunt. You know me and my clique. Wildin' out, standing all over your couch. Gold grill sitting all up in my mouth. Ride high, how we do it in the South. Box Chevy had to pull that bitch out. Paint drippin' like that motherfucker Suwu. Busy making my lane, little nigga do you. Who you, get the fuck up out of my face. Arms reach, better get that homeboy space. Cognac on the rocks, no chase. No sugar in my tank, like to drink my shit straight. Bobby Chulo, yeah, I'm rapping for the city. Fuck they talking about, man, the boy get busy. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. You copy at I am Diddy. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. You got me at I am Diddy. Pull up at the club with at least 10 bitches. I'm just talking my shit. AP on my wrist costs about 5 bricks. Get to looking at that bitch that can get your ass hit. Ain't no chill button. Your team getting pressed if your team get the frontin'. We the only ones stuntin'. G check a nigga while he with his bitch cuffin'. Ran up on him, he like I don't want nothing. Then Push got the snuffin', now Chopper got the cuttin'. They turn the motherfucking lights on. Nice yelled out, is my fucking mic on? We popped 10 more bottles. Left the club same night, about 10 models. And that's being 100. Ask around the city, they gon' tell you Bobby run it. I be putting in that OT, so when the ball out, it be hard to be low key. Fuck, everybody know me, I done seen it all, yeah, young boy OG. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. You copy at I am Diddy. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. Bobby run the city. You got me at I am Diddy.